Hello, my favorite fourth graders.
Look what it's time for! Science!
It's time for science! Woo! My own assistant's Mary Hope Schramm. I am so sorry about the video this morning. I'm not sure what's wrong with it. My mic's not working on the Screen-O-Matic. So that's okay because I'm going to use YouTube to do this. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over page 147 in your activity manual. Your activity manual, 147. All right, we're going to go over that. Now, if I'm going too fast, don't forget you can pause because you need these correct answers. A huge sheet of ice that stays frozen all year is called a... Yes, good job, a glacier. Number 2, the rapid downhill movement of a large amount of soil and rocks is called a what? A landslide. A landslide is rapid and it's got soil and rocks. No snow or ice is involved. An avalanche is a sudden downhill movement of a large amount of snow and ice. And that is, like I just said, an avalanche. Thank goodness we don't have landslides or avalanches around where we live, because if you see for the video, they can be quite destructive and dangerous. Okay, number 4. Glaciers can pick up sediment and rocks. Yes, glaciers do pick up sediment and rock, and that's how they form the moraines that we saw in our book. They can change what the earth looks like around them. Number 5, glaciers cause hills, I'm going to start over. Glaciers can cause hill-call boots. No, they can't, because that is caused by a different erosion. They cause moraines, M-O-R-A-I-N-E-S. And you saw that in your book, kind of like a little valley. Number 6, let me see if I can, just a minute. The moraines. Okay, those, okay. Moraines are piles form small hills, and that's what happens to that, because the sediment and the rocks that were under the glacier and little bitty hills. I'm sorry, I told you wrong. Valleys can also be formed by glaciers, though. Number 6, glaciers can cause U-shaped valleys where ponds and lakes form. And yes, that is true. Number 7, name 2 kinds of sudden erosion caused by gravity. A lot of you miss this question. Name 2 kinds of sudden erosion. Sudden means instantly. All right? Instantly. So what could that be? Does a landslide happen instantly? Yes. Does an avalanche happen instantly? Yes, there's no stopping an avalanche and a landslide when they start going. And if you have just seen the Call of the Wild, I got a wild hair right here talking about Call of the Wild. If you've seen Call of the Wild, well, I guess I'll have to figure that later because I cannot find it. If you've seen Call of the Wild, they did have a big avalanche in that one. Now, number 8, list 2 ways the activities of people can cause erosion. That was one that was missed too on our when you did your study guide online. All right, you were supposed to use your book, and boys and girls, I told you to use your book in the video and in instructions. Please watch videos and instructions before you do any assignment. Okay, so there it is on this page, and it says, I'm going to read it to you. The activities of people can affect erosion. Workers remove trees and other plants when farming, mining, or building. So how can people cause erosions? By removing plants, trees, and other plants. By removing trees and other plants. What's another way we can cause erosion? One of the other ways is we pave areas. We can pave areas. Because pavement cannot absorb rainwater. This causes the water to run off into drains and onto surrounding soil, and runoff can cause the soil to erode. There's pictures in your book if you need an example of that to help you. All right, so on your test for Thursday, there's no tricks. Be multiple choice. You've got 3 study guides. 3 study guides. 1, 2, 3. 3 study guides to study and Quizlet. All right, so you've got extra time because today's lesson we're finished. So you've got extra time to work on Quizlet and study your 3 study guides. We have, I don't know how many, but several. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, looks like about 12 vocab words. Those will all be on the test. So do you think you need to study your vocabs? Yes, and that's where Quizlet especially comes in handy. All right? I love you so much. And do study hard and do well on the test Thursday. Good day.